Hello student, welcome to BBPS e-learning class of science, and I am discussing about the circulatory system, in which today we have discussed the topic heart and heartbeat. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substance with it. Second one is location of the heart. Heart is act as a pump and it works like a pump and non-stop. It is working non-stop. The heart is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left, and that is the and what will happen if the blood rich oxygen and blood rich carbon dioxide mix with each other? To avoid this from happening, the heart has four chambers you can see in the diagram. The upper chambers are called atria and single is atrium, and two lower chambers called the ventricles. It means our human heart or mammal's heart consists of two chambers, two ventricle and two auricle, and these that is why our heart is four chambered. The partition between the chambers, there is a partition between the chambers, helps to avoid the mixing of the blood rich in oxygen with blood rich in carbon dioxide. So valves are found between the two chambers to avoid intermixing of blood. To understand the functioning of the circulatory system, you start from the right side of the heart, just you have seen in figure 11.3, and follow the arrows. These arrows show the direction of blood flow from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, from where it is pumped to the rest of the body. Now next topic is about the heartbeat. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. Which type of muscles made the chambers of the heart? That is known as cardiac muscle. And these muscles contract and relax rhythmically, and the rhythmic contraction followed by relaxation constitute a heartbeat. Heartbeats continue every moment of our life, and the instrument which is used by the doctor to record heartbeat is called stethoscope. A doctor uses the stethoscope, simply a device to amplify the sound of the heart. It consists of a chest piece that carries sensitive diaphragm and two ear pieces. Here are the two ear pieces and tube joining the parts. Doctor can get clues about the condition of your heart by listening through a stethoscope. You can also make an stethoscope by a model by doing the activity 11.2. Take a small funnel of 6 to 7 centimeter in diameter. Fix a rubber tube at the stem of the funnel. Stretch a rubber sheet or a balloon on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with a rubber band. Put the open end of the tube on your ears. Place the mouth of the funnel on your chest of the heart, and now try to listen carefully. Do you hear the throbbing sound? The sound that of the heartbeat, that is known as throbbing sound, and you can easily find your heartbeat. Record your pulse and heartbeat, that of your friends, while resting and after running, because while there is a difference, because after running your heartbeat becomes faster and faster. And what is the relationship between the heartbeat and a pulse rate? Just understand, each heartbeat generates one pulse in arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of the heartbeat. The rhythmic beating of the various chambers of the heart maintain the circulation of blood and transport of the substance to the different parts of the body. Next one is the animals who does not possess the circulatory system. The name of these two animals are sponges and hydra. Animals such as sponges and hydra do not possess any circulatory system. The water in which they brings food and oxygen and enters their bodies. The water carries away waste materials and carbon dioxide it moves out, and the animals do not need a circulatory system. They do not have a circulatory fluid like the blood. Next one is excretion. Recall how carbon dioxide is removed as a waste from the body through the lungs during exhalation. Also recall the undigested food is removed during egestion. And let us now find out how the other waste materials are removed from the body. When our cells perform the functions, certain waste products are released. These are the toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste product in the cells of the living organism is called excretion, and the part that is involved in excretion form the excretory system. And the waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from body, and a mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by blood capillaries called the kidneys. The kidneys are the main excretory system of the human body. Okay, thank you, students.